You will become a successful investor. But to become a successful investor, you have to give the answer to two questions. If you don't know how to give the answer to these two questions, you will never be a successful investor. The first question is when to buy, and the second question is what to buy. There are times when it's good to be in the market because stocks go up, but there are times when it's not the right time to be in the market because stocks go down. So knowing when is the right time to be in and the right time to be out is vital for your long-term survival. But of course, it is equally important to know what to buy. You can have a beautiful bull market, stocks are going up, but I can tell you, if you don't know how to pick your stocks properly, you will probably get a portfolio of lemons and you will underperform the indexes and even you will lose money. You must know that most stocks underperform the index, so it's not so easy to be a good stock picker. And this answers the second question, what to buy. So equally important of when and what to buy is when and what to sell. We can get to know when is the right time to sell, but at the same time, you have to know what to sell. Sometimes in your portfolio, you will have stocks that even though it's a bull market and stocks are going up, it's the right moment to sell specific stocks because these stocks don't qualify, they don't belong anymore in your portfolio. So the answer to when and what to sell is equally vital. Once you master these four questions, when and what to buy and when and what to sell, you have discovered the holy grail of stock picking and your portfolio will outperform the stock indexes. If you are able to consistently answer these four questions, when to buy, what to buy, when to sell, and what to sell, I can promise that you will be a very successful investor. And this YouTube course is built around that exact framework. There are two parts. The first part focuses on when is the right time to be in the market. And the second part focuses on what are the right stocks for your portfolio. Of course, it's easier said than done, but this is what's all about in this YouTube video course. You will be able to learn when is the right time to be in the markets and what you should own when is the right time to be in the markets. We will dive deep into trend following, mean reversion, several time indicators, and how I have integrated all these timing insights into a comprehensive market timing indicator that is on the right side of the markets most of the time, and more importantly, when is the right time not to be in the stock market. And the second part of this YouTube course will focus on the specific stocks to buy. Stock selection is really very difficult and it took me lots of time and study and experience to become proficient in picking stocks. So to become a successful stock picker, you have to know what to buy. And once the timing is right, stock selection becomes the multiplier. I will show you the disciplined process I use to identify stocks with the potential to outperform the stock market by more than 20% a year. And this is not high, it is doable. But of course, to achieve this outsized performance, you really have to know what to do. And this is what I'm going to share with you. I have been trading stocks for the last 35 years, and this is the result of a life committed to trading and also to picking stocks. So you will learn to identify the right time to be in stocks and also how to create a good stock portfolio when you have to rotate your stocks, because you cannot fall in love with your stocks. There is a right time also to sell them. Even if the market is a bull market, you have to turn over your stocks and you will learn all these tricks. So in this series, I'm sharing the exact framework I use to be a successful stock market timer and stock picker, and I share everything with you for free. I only demand from you one thing. You have to follow all episodes and you have to dedicate some time. But if you dedicate some time, you will become a good stock picker. And I wish I had such a YouTube course 35 years ago, as this would greatly have improved my learning curve. So welcome to the journey and let's begin. Stay tuned for our second episode, which is why market timing works and why it matters much more than you think.